The San Agustin Church in Intramuros, Manila is originally known as Iglesia de San Pablo. Founded in 1571, is the oldest stone church built in 1589 in the Philippines. In this church, tomb of El Adelantado Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, founder of the city of Manila, is located in the easternmost chapel of the transept. It is administered by the Order of St. Augustine, Augustinian Friars. Since the time of its foundation, the devotion to Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Seria is celebrated every Saturday. In 1953, San Agustin Church was one of 4 Philippine churches constructed during the Spanish colonial period to be designed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO under the collective title Baroque Churches of the Philippines.